This is one sepal. This is one sepal. This is the calyx. So this is the tip of the sepal. So now the margin of this sepal and margin of this sepal is in close contact. This sepal and this sepal are in close contact with each other with a gap between them. Such a type of estivation is called valvate estivation. Calyx. This is the calyx. Green colored is the calyx. So this is the individual unit, that is sepal. Individual unit sepal. There are 5 sepals. 1, 2, 3. This side. Other side we have 4. And here 2. Here we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the top position we can make out 5. From the top of the bud we can make out 5 sepals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more is here 5. So we can make out here 5 sepals. Now so it is easy to identify valvate estivation. So estivation can be studied in calyx as well as the corolla. So this is calyx, this is corolla. So in both calyx and corolla shows estivation. Estivation means arrangement of petals or arrangement of sepals. So here the estivation of the sepal is the individual member of this calyx, tottina individual member sepal. So here its estivation, its arrangement is valvate. So in valvate estivation, the individual member or unit. So this is a whorl. Idu ondu whorl. Whorl means round. Okay, this is one round. This is the second round. Okay. Third round is androecium. Fourth one is gynoecium. There are 4 whorls in a flower. So this is the outermost whorl. Inner 2 is the petals. This is the second whorl. Now in this whorl or in this round, so this sepal, this is the margin of this sepal. So this is the individual unit. This is the individual unit. So these are the sepals. So 1, 2, 3. This side 4, 5. So we have here 5 green colored sepals. From top we can see. Okay, 5 green colored sepals. These green colored sepals are united to form a cup. So the moment we see a cup shaped structure, so we can say immediately that it shows valvate estivation. So here the sepals show valvate estivation. Valvate estivation. How to draw the diagram of valvate estivation? So it's an important question in first PUC syllabus. So valvate estivation. You can concentrate on this question, 5-mark question. There are 5 types of estivation. One among them is valvate estivation. So we have 5 estivation: valvate estivation, imbricate estivation, quincunxial estivation, twisted estivation, vexillary estivation. So one among them is valvate estivation. how to draw this. It's very simple. Let us learn how to draw. It's very simple. It's very simple. Let us learn how to draw. Draw a circle. A rough circle. Draw a circle like this. Then mark 5 parts. One here. Mark a rough idea. With a rough idea, you mark 5 petals. 1 petal, the second petal, third petal, fourth and fifth petal. With equal distance, mark 5 points indicating 5 petals. First petal, second petal, third, fourth, fifth. So then erase it at this point. Erase at this point. Now draw from the outer side like this. Join it here. Join it here. So I drew 5 petals. Now this is the one petal, this is the other petal, this is the one margin, the one margin. Thus 2 margins are in close contact with each other with the gap. We have studied in the calyx, that means green colored cup shaped structure of hibiscus flower. It shows valvate estivation. So this is the one sepal, this is the other sepal, this is the one margin of the sepal, this is the margin of the sepal. They are in close contact with each other with a gap. Similarly, this is the margin of the sepal, this is the margin of the sepal. These 2 margins are in close contact with each other with a small gap. Similarly here is the margin of the sepal, this is the margin of the sepal. These 2 margins are in close contact with each other with a small gap. Similarly here there is a small gap between these 2 margins. Similarly here there is a small gap. There is no overlapping. Here there is no overlapping. This kind of estivation is called as the valvate estivation. Example, the calyx in case of hibiscus flower.